Today, we are focusing on one of the most powerful and complex forms of the nonverbal communication, our eye contact. Our eyes are often called the windows to the soul, and for good enough reason. The way we use our eyes can reveal our emotions, intentions, and even our levels of interest in others. Let's start with the basics. What is eye contact? It's the act of looking directly into another person's eyes. Seems simple enough, isn't it? But the duration, the intensity and frequency of your eye contact can vary greatly depending on the context, the culture, and individual preferences. So, why is eye contact important? Establishing connection. Eye contact is essential for building rapport and establishing a connection with others. When we look someone in the eye, it signals that we are present, engaged, and interested in what they have to say. Conveying confidence. Maintaining good eye contact is a hallmark of confidence. It shows that we're not afraid to be seen and heard. Conversely, avoiding the eye contact can be interpreted as a sign of insecurity or dishonesty. Regulating conversations. Eye contact plays a key role in the flow of conversation. We use it to signal when we are ready to speak, when we are listening, and when we want to end the interaction. Expressing emotions. Our eyes can reveal a wide range of emotions, from joy and excitement to sadness and anger. A loving gaze can convey warmth and affection, while on the other side, a piercing stare can signal hostility or aggression might be. Cultural significance. The meaning of eye contact can vary across cultures. In some cultures, direct eye contact is a sign of respect, while in others, it may be considered rude or challenging. How much of the eye contact is sufficient? The 50-70 rule. A general guideline is to maintain eye contact for 50% of the time when you're speaking and 70% of the time when you're listening. This creates a healthy balance of engagement without feeling too intense or intrusive. The triangle technique. When talking to someone, imagine a triangle formed by their eyes and mouth. Shift your gaze between these 3 points every few seconds to maintain a natural flow of eye contact. Breaking gaze. It's also important to break eye contact occasionally to avoid staring, which can be perceived as aggressive or creepy. Look away briefly to gather your thoughts, show that you're listening, or simply to give the other person a break. What you should actually avoid. Staring. Prolonged, unblinking eye contact can be intimidating and make others feel uncomfortable. Avoiding eye contact consistently when you're trying to look away can make you appear disinterested, insecure, or untrustworthy. Darting eyes. Rapidly shifting your gaze can signal nervousness, anxiety, or deception. Just remember, eye contact is a powerful tool, but it should be used wisely. Consider the context, your relationship with a person, and their cultural background as well. By mastering the art of eye contact, you can enhance your communication, build stronger relationships, and leave a lasting impression.